Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure your phone is unlocked and WhatsApp is up to date. This prevents menu differences. Open WhatsApp, tap the three-dot menu, then Settings. Once in Settings, go to Notifications. This is where Preview Behavior lives. You're doing this now so you don't waste time toggling system settings that won't help. Make sure to stay in the app while you change options. Changes apply immediately, and you'll verify them on the home screen in the next step. You'll now remove the preview content. In Notifications, tap Message Notifications, then disable Show Previews or Set Preview to Never. This hides message text on the home screen. Do the same for group notifications so group chats don't reveal content. If your WhatsApp version lacks a direct preview toggle, change the notification style or tone to silent and adjust system lock screen previews instead. Once done, test by having someone message you and observe that only the sender or app name appears, not the message text. To finish, test what you changed by asking someone to send a message. Check your home and lock screens to confirm only minimal info shows. If previews persist, make sure system-level notification previews aren't overriding app settings. Clear WhatsApp cache, force stop, or reboot the device and retest. If that still fails, use the operating system's privacy settings to hide content for all notifications. This guarantees no app can show message text on the home screen. One tip: restart after changes to ensure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.